Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Wednesday, June 19th, 2019. I survived. Yesterday was a losing day. Today I was able to make a little bit. I had 10 trades and only 9 ticks. The market wasn't playing. At least during the time I was trading. I finally decided to stop. FOMC statement day and me don't get along too well. At the beginning I was looking for the market to come down, and then I switched for it to start coming up, but then it fought too many times at the level. I switched at the end on the short side, and just basically 5400 was the fighting line today during the trading session for the most part. In the afternoon, once the inventories kind of settled down, it went for I think the high today was 54.53. So I mean, honestly, it could go anywhere it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I believe that the Iranian conflict right now, plus the FOMC statement and federal funds rate, is weighing on the market a little bit. So you didn't see that much of a pullback into the overnights. There was an opportunity to be short and get out around the pivot point today. So that was one side of it. All that happening pre-inventory release. The inventory came out and it shot up. It settled down. I tried to catch it a couple different times inside there. In fact, with 10 trades, that should tell you how many times I tried to work things out. At the end, I was just getting to recovery and move to the next trading day. I was looking for a bottom target. Was 53.33. That's what I thought we could run through the lows and get down through 53.33. So 53.50 was the low, and I thought we could maybe run down 53.33. On the upside, I thought 55 handle was up there. We could get close to the 55 handle. So we're still going to be, I guess we're going to stay in this range for a little bit. 55.50. That's the range that we're trading right now. That's where I expect the market. If it gets up over that 55 mark, it really opens up the door at $58, $59 a barrel. So I guess that, in a sense, is why there's a lot of fighting going on right now. And obviously, if we start getting down underneath that pivot point around 53.50, it opens up the door going down to 52, 51, maybe even as low as $50 a barrel, going the other direction. So really, you can say today is about the tensions in Iran right now. That really seems to be the overwhelming catalyst that's keeping the markets where it is right now. It's a bubble waiting to happen, right? So the bubble could pop up or pop down. So the sell the news is still in play. We just need to see the market participate right now. So, and you can see the uneasiness in the market at this point. Every up move is fought, and every down move has been fought so far. So there's a fight going on right now. You can tell the fight is basically that 50, the 55, trying to keep the market below 55, and the other side is trying to keep it above 53.50. So I guess we can say right now that's $1.50 range. Really, if you look at the highs right now, you got a low of 53.50 and a high of 54.57. So you got about $1 range right now that the market's trying to negotiate at this point to see which side it wants to go with the bubble. One more rumor, one more thing, Trump tweets something else, boom, that market goes 57.58. That's what you're seeing right now, the uneasiness of the market, and why it's not selling off, I believe. Now, we shall see what the rest of the week has. I'm not going to just trade what you see, basically. I mean, that's my advice. It's inside a range, 55.50, and it gets outside of that, look for 58.59. If it gets underneath, and then we look for what, $50 a barrel, maybe even lower. So I mean, with the Iranian conflict can be resolved peacefully, crude oil should be underneath $50 a barrel, going for the lows around 42 to 45. So that's kind of what I see. I don't know. What do you think? What's your thoughts? Anyway, long story short, today's trading, and I'm at over 5 minutes. Sorry, Kip. 9 ticks on 10 trades. I cut off my losing streak at 1 day and moving on to the next day right now. That's all I got. You know, it's some days it's best to wash your hands of it and recognize that there's a lot of well, obviously I know this. There's a lot more smarter people than me that are trading. In fact, some of y'all are made comments to me as well. That I know. So I appreciate that. And so that's about it. That's all I got to say today. So I look forward to the trading for tomorrow and Friday, and hopefully I can go out and get a new account high before the week's out. That's kind of the goal right now. Talk to you later. Dave Knight here for 1, 2, 3 Day Trade. Talk to you on next video.